Every morning in Green Valley, the sun rises slowly over the hills. This is Green Valley, a small, peaceful town where everyone knows everyone. But today is a very special morning for one boy.
Tom! Don't forget your lunch.
Thanks, Mum. Mum, what if nobody likes me?
Tom, just be yourself. That's always enough.
Tom, can I walk with you to the gate?
Tom's little sister Emma always made things feel lighter. Green Valley School was just 10 minutes from the farm. Okay, Tom, you can do this. But today, it felt much further.
Inside the schoolyard, children were talking, laughing, and playing.
Tom didn't know anyone. Not one single person.
Hey, are you new?
I'm Tom Carter.
I'm Lily Brown. Welcome to Green Valley School.
Lily Brown was the kind of person who made new students feel welcome.
Come on, I'll show you where everything is. That's the main hall, that's the library, and that is Mr. James's office. Don't be late, ever.
For the first time that morning, Tom laughed.
Tom's classroom was room 4. It smelled like books and fresh chalk.
Sit here, next to me.
And then, the classroom door opened.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mr. James.
Now, before we begin, I want to introduce someone very special. Tom Carter, would you please stand up? Our new classmate has just joined us. Let's all give him a warm welcome.
The morning passed quickly. Tom learned new things, asked questions, and began to feel at home.
Excellent answer, Tom. Well done.
At lunchtime, Lily led Tom to the best spot in the schoolyard.
My mom makes the best sandwiches in Green Valley.
Well, she says so.
My mum gave me an apple.
And a note. A note? What does it say?
Tom, we are so proud of you. Be kind, be brave, be yourself. Love, Mum and Dad.
That's really nice, Tom.
That afternoon, the class had one more surprise for Tom. This afternoon, everyone in room 4 has made something for Tom to help him remember his first day in Green Valley.
Yes! I drew you the bakery, so you know where to find the best cakes. Also, my mom works there, so we get free ones sometimes.
By the end of the day, Tom had 12 drawings, 3 new friends, and 1 very good story to tell.
See you at the oak tree bench again?
Definitely.
Outside, the afternoon sun was low and golden over Green Valley. Tom walked home along the same road he had walked that morning, but it felt completely different now.
Tom! How was it? Tell me everything!
It was good, Em. It was really good. Look, someone drew me this.
Is that the bakery?
Yes, and apparently, we can get free cake sometimes.
That evening, the Carter family sat together at the dinner table.
So, Tom, tell us about your day.
Dad, it was the best first day I could have asked for.
He made a friend, and she knows where we can get free cake.
That night, Tom sat by his bedroom window and looked out at the quiet fields of Green Valley. He thought about the morning, the shaking hands, the nervous walk, the gate he almost didn't step through. He put the note on his bedside table, right next to the drawings. Tom Carter's first day in Green Valley was over. He had been nervous, he had been brave, and he had found something wonderful.
Thank you for visiting Green Valley. We hope you enjoyed today's English story. If you enjoyed today's story, subscribe to Green Join Us for another heartwarming English story.